빅잼이.
Guys, you know what? Pizza could be the best side dish. This pizza with a bowl of hot rice and kimchi can complete the Korean meal perfectly. Cannot be better. With egg and spam, which is Korean's favorite ham, let's make gorgeous pizza. Spam egg pizza. Let's go, go, go. Slice paprika and make them look good. The red one too. This one is spam. You know, Koreans love it. We say a piece of spam on hot rice is always right. God, it's always hard to take it out. There you are. Slice the spam thinly. With cookie cutters, I'm making some of them pretty toppings. When there were two left, I was gonna use this, but unexpected thing happened. But it's okay. I've got another one. That's it. I don't think we need this much spam for two pizza, but let's just finish it. Chop them all. Canned corn. We're gonna rinse them with cold water. Good. It's still sweet. Let's make a dough. Actually, it's not a dough. It's a batter. 3 eggs per 1 pizza. About quarter teaspoon salt. And 30-gram milk. Milk is gonna make bottom fluffy later. Mix. Oh, we need breadcrumbs too. Just 1 cup. But make sure that don't mix them now. Simple and tasty pizza sauce. Mix ketchup and honey in ratio of 3:1. Then we're gonna go ahead blanch ham in boiling water, just around 4 seconds. The chopped one is not needed. Over medium heat, cooking oil, mix the breadcrumbs with the batter roughly and pour right away. Then it's gonna be crunchy later. I just threw the bowl into the sink. Spread the batter well, like a circle. Then take a deep breath. Yes! Turn to low heat. Spam. Corn. Paprika. You better put the toppings as soon as possible. The pizza sauce we made, shredded mozzarella, and lastly, cute spam. Ooh. Cover up the pan. Leave it for about 2 minutes. Oh, cheese hasn't melted yet. I just close. Another 4 seconds later. Well done. Let's check out the bottom. Good. Time to have lunch. Kimchi. A bowl of hot rice. And our spam egg pizza. Look at the crunch. Have you ever tried a slice of pizza with chopsticks? It's a revolution. And it's actually balanced meal. Oh, look at the cheese. With kimchi. Such a beautiful combination. If you put breadcrumbs in egg, it becomes thick and crispy. It's gonna get your mouth watering. Enjoy and see you guys!